Onions are the perfect vegetable that used in all over the world in almost all the cuisine. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a easiest way of cutting onions in 7 different ways. Hello everyone, namaste. This is me Chef Amir, back to you with another beautiful tutorial for chefs and the food lovers. Okay, so without any delay, let's begin the tutorial. The onions is one of the most common vegetable widely used in almost every cuisine. Onions are cultivated and used around the world. As a food item, they are usually served cooked, prepared as savory dishes, and also can be eaten raw or used to make pickles or chutneys. They are pungent in flavor and contains certain chemical substance, creates a substance that may make you irritation in the eyes. Number 1. Fine chop. To cut this style, first take onion, slice it right to the edge of onion root but don't slice it through. Push the knife halfway into the onion and run the knife from the middle layer by layer. Then cut from the top closely. You can get precise fine chop cuts of onions. The onion is one of the most common vegetables widely used in almost every cuisine. Onions are cultivated and used around the world. As a food item, they are usually served cooked, prepared as savory dishes, and can also be eaten raw or used for making pickles or chutneys. Well, onions are usually divided in 2 segments. One is head and another is tail. When we need to chop, dice, mince or cubes, we should keep the head and peel the rest of the onion skins, then we can cut. This is the key idea where you can keep onions intact. At the same time, you could also cut the onion without crying. To chop. To cut this style, follow same procedure as in the fine chop, but keep it slightly thicker in width. While pushing the knife halfway through, cut the onion from the top little bigger than the size of the fine chop. You will get the precise cuts of chops of onions. Number 3. Medium dice. Well, medium dice is also similar to those of previous cuts. However, in this cut, you have to keep bigger, wide and wider slice halfway through onions and you will get a beautiful medium dice cuts of onions. Number 4. Dice. Likewise, dice cuts are also as similar as medium dice where you should increase the size of cuts but similar technique must be applied. In that way, you would get a nice cuts of onion dices. Five. Cubes. Cubes are the cuts where we can use knife cutting onions in 8 different cuts. It is slightly similar to dice or medium dice. Slice. Last but not the least, this is one of the most common cuts of vegetable. Removing head and tail of onion, slicing straight from head or tail side can give a nice slices of onions. Mostly used to make a gravy, curry or any stews or sauces through this kind of onion cuts. This cut is similar to slice, but method to cut is just opposite to slice. To cut this onion, we should remove both head and tail part of the onion and cutting opposite from the head or tail part. So, how many of us cry while cutting onions? Well, eye irritation can be avoided by cutting onions under running water or submerged in a basin of water. Leaving the root intact also reduces irritation as the onion base has a higher concentration of sulfur compounds than the rest of the bulbs. Refrigerating the onions before use reduces the enzyme's reaction rate, and using a fan can also blow the gas away from the eyes. The more often one chops onion, the less one experiences eye irritation. So that's all for today. So next week I'll be back with another beautiful tutorial and also a recipe. So keep in touch with my channel, and also if you have not subscribed my channel, we're here somewhere around. Yeah, subscribe my channel, and yes, till then, this is me Saif Amir signing up from my channel. Take care, bye bye, namaste.